Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the shadow method. Today, we are going to do a simple and powerful 10-minute English speaking practice. Not grammar lessons, not difficult rules. Just listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. If speaking English feels slow sometimes, don't worry. This practice is designed to help your mouth, your ears, and your brain work together. The more you shadow, the more natural English will start to feel. Speak with me, sentence by sentence. I wasn't expecting that idea to work so well. I wasn't expecting that idea to work so well. The room feels much quieter today. The room feels much quieter today. I need a little more time to think about it. I need a little more time to think about it. That sounds better than I imagined. That sounds better than I imagined. Everyone seemed interested in the discussion. Everyone seemed interested in the discussion. I almost forgot what I wanted to say. I almost forgot what I wanted to say. The weather has changed quite suddenly. The weather has changed quite suddenly. She handled the situation very calmly. She handled the situation very calmly. I noticed something different this morning. I noticed something different this morning. The answer became clear after a while. The answer became clear after a while. We should look at the problem from another angle. We should look at the problem from another angle. That explanation makes much more sense now. That explanation makes much more sense now. I didn't realize how much time had passed. I didn't realize how much time had passed. There seems to be a simple solution. There seems to be a simple solution. The conversation became more interesting later. The conversation became more interesting later. I appreciate the effort you put into this. I appreciate the effort you put into this. Something unexpected happened during the meeting. Something unexpected happened during the meeting. The results were better than anyone expected. The results were better than anyone expected. I would like to hear your opinion on this. I would like to hear your opinion on this. The atmosphere feels relaxed and comfortable. The atmosphere feels relaxed and comfortable. He always finds a creative way to solve problems. He always finds a creative way to solve problems. The project is moving in the right direction. The project is moving in the right direction. I can already see some improvement. I can already see some improvement. That question is more difficult than it looks. That question is more difficult than it looks. Everything became easier once we started. Everything became easier once we started. I wasn't completely sure about the decision. I wasn't completely sure about the decision. The details are becoming clearer every day. The details are becoming clearer every day. We may need to adjust our plans slightly. We may need to adjust our plans slightly. I learned something useful from that experience. I learned something useful from that experience. The idea quickly gained everyone's attention. The idea quickly gained everyone's attention. It took longer than we originally thought. It took longer than we originally thought. The message was simple but effective. The message was simple but effective. I would prefer to discuss it later. I would prefer to discuss it later. The situation improved much faster than expected. The situation improved much faster than expected. There is always something new to discover. There is always something new to discover. I enjoyed listening to different perspectives. I enjoyed listening to different perspectives. The schedule looks quite busy this week. The schedule looks quite busy this week. That suggestion could make a big difference. That suggestion could make a big difference. The experience taught me an important lesson. The experience taught me an important lesson. We are getting closer to our goal. We are getting closer to our goal. The process seems easier with practice. The process seems easier with practice. I found the discussion surprisingly helpful. I found the discussion surprisingly helpful. The changes have produced positive results. The changes have produced positive results. I think we are making steady progress. I think we are making steady progress. That opportunity appeared at the perfect time. That opportunity appeared at the perfect time. The audience listened very carefully. The audience listened very carefully. I could immediately notice the difference. I could immediately notice the difference. The plan sounds practical and realistic. The plan sounds practical and realistic. Everything worked exactly as intended. Everything worked exactly as intended. The conversation continued for quite a while. The conversation continued for quite a while. It's strange how quickly plans can change. It's strange how quickly plans can change. I wasn't aware of that detail before today. I wasn't aware of that detail before today. The discussion became more complicated than expected. The discussion became more complicated than expected. For some reason, everyone arrived earlier than usual. For some reason, everyone arrived earlier than usual. That decision had a bigger impact than we realized. That decision had a bigger impact than we realized. The explanation sounded convincing at first. The explanation sounded convincing at first. I'm curious to know what happens next. I'm curious to know what happens next. Nobody seemed surprised by the announcement. Nobody seemed surprised by the announcement. The situation requires a more careful approach. The situation requires a more careful approach. That idea deserves a second look. That idea deserves a second look. The timing couldn't have been better. The timing couldn't have been better. I found the conversation surprisingly engaging. I found the conversation surprisingly engaging. Everything appeared normal from a distance. Everything appeared normal from a distance. The difference became noticeable over time. The difference became noticeable over time. Some questions don't have simple answers. Some questions don't have simple answers. The results were consistent throughout the process. There must be another way to handle this. There must be another way to handle this. The atmosphere changed the moment he walked in. The atmosphere changed the moment he walked in. That observation is worth considering carefully. That observation is worth considering carefully. I hadn't thought about it from that perspective. I hadn't thought about it from that perspective. The response was faster than anyone anticipated. The response was faster than anyone anticipated. What impressed me most was the attention to detail. What impressed me most was the attention to detail. The opportunity came at exactly the right moment. The opportunity came at exactly the right moment. Everything seemed connected in an unexpected way. Everything seemed connected in an unexpected way. The issue became clear after further discussion. The issue became clear after further discussion. The proposal raised several important questions. The proposal raised several important questions. That approach appears both practical and efficient. That approach appears both practical and efficient. The circumstances forced everyone to adapt quickly. The circumstances forced everyone to adapt quickly. It gradually became easier to understand. It gradually became easier to understand. The conclusion wasn't as obvious as it seemed. The conclusion wasn't as obvious as it seemed. Several factors contributed to the outcome. Several factors contributed to the outcome. The conversation shifted in a different direction. The conversation shifted in a different direction. There was more to the story than we knew. There was more to the story than we knew. The challenge seemed impossible at first glance. The challenge seemed impossible at first glance. That remark caught everyone off guard. That remark caught everyone off guard. The process requires patience and consistency. The process requires patience and consistency. I wasn't entirely convinced by that argument. I wasn't entirely convinced by that argument. The changes happened more gradually than expected. The changes happened more gradually than expected. The details became clearer with each explanation. The details became clearer with each explanation. That possibility hadn't crossed my mind before. That possibility hadn't crossed my mind before. The solution turned out to be surprisingly simple. The solution turned out to be surprisingly simple. Everything unfolded exactly as predicted. Everything unfolded exactly as predicted. The improvement was noticeable within a short time. The improvement was noticeable within a short time. The circumstances made the decision difficult. The circumstances made the decision difficult. The evidence strongly supports that conclusion. The evidence strongly supports that conclusion. The conversation revealed several interesting ideas. The conversation revealed several interesting ideas. A small adjustment made a significant difference. A small adjustment made a significant difference. The outcome depended on several key factors. The outcome depended on several key factors. The situation developed differently than expected. The situation developed differently than expected. That explanation provided valuable insight into the issue. That explanation provided valuable insight into the issue. Great job today. You stayed with the practice, and that is what really matters. Remember, fluency does not come from studying once. It comes from hearing, repeating, and speaking again and again. Every time you practice shadowing, your English becomes a little more natural, a little more comfortable, and a little more confident, so keep showing up every day. Even a few minutes of speaking practice can make a big difference over time. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on speaking, listening, and improving step by step. Your progress is built through repetition, and every sentence you speak today helps you speak better tomorrow. If you enjoyed practicing with me, please leave a comment below and tell me how today's practice felt. And if you would like more English speaking exercises like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for spending these few minutes practicing English with me. Take care, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and I'll see you again in the next practice session.